Doubt. So hi guys, hi Lokesh, Meghana, for customer.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, ma. I just share my screen. I'm given access for screen sharing. Okay, so guys, the last class we discussed tuple list methods, right? So in that, anybody have any doubts, ma? Guys, anybody have any doubts in that? Joshna, have any doubts, ma?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Bhargavi, Meghana.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
That's it. So today we'll discuss the remaining methods, remaining topics. Set and dictionary. So basically, in the data types, so we have 7 data types available. The one is a string and numbers boolean. These are very common basic data types. And remaining list, tuple, set, dictionary. So in these 4, list and tuple already we discussed in the last class. So today we are going to discuss set and dictionary. Okay. So basically, guys, what is a list and tuple, guys? What is list basically? What is list, man? Bhargavi?
Sir.
What is list? Lokesh, what is list? Have any idea? What is list? No. Okay. So basically, the list, tuple, set, dictionary, these 4 things is called as a collection. Collection, it means in single variable, we can store multiple of data, multiple of data types also. That is called as list, tuple, set, dictionary, basically. The difference between these 4 is, so list is a collection, so it can store in multiple of values in single variable. But list we can declare as a square bracket. Square bracket. List is a mutable object. Mutable. Mutable means we can modify, we can update the data. But in other hand, the tuple also collection, we can store in multiple of values in single variable. Difference is list we are declaring as square bracket. A tuple you can declare as a parenthesis. But the tuple is a immutable object. Immutable means we can't able to modify, we can't update the data. But list is a modify, it's possible. But in tuple we can't able to modify. That is a major difference between list and tuple. Okay. So now today coming to the set. Basically, Bhargavi, please mute yourself, ma. So basically, guys, set also collection. Set also collection, ma. It means in single variable, in one variable store multiple values. N number of data can store in single variable. That is called as set. The difference is here, the set we can declare as a curly bracket. List you can declare as a square bracket. Tuple you can declare as a parenthesis. Set you can declare as a curly bracket. And even set also mutable object. Mutable object. What is a mutable object, ma? We can modify the data. That is called as mutable object. Okay. So we'll see one example, guys. I will just declare one variable name. For example, x is a variable. X is equal to as a curly bracket. I will just pass some of the values here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, this is called as integer values. We stored so many values. Collection of values is stored here. Right, ma? Collection of values. For example, I will just pass 0 also. 0 and -1 also I'm just going to pass. -1. And just print these one, print of x. Now we'll see what happens here. Run model. Okay. What happened, ma? Anything happens here as usual. As usual, huh? No difference, huh? Let's see one time. Of course, have some difference is there, ma. What is the difference means? You can see the 0 is given last, but it comes beginning. So basically, the set method, the set function works. Any kind of value, it comes order wise. I mean ascending order. Order is ascending order. It comes by default ascending order. It means minimum to maximum. So then -1, why it comes last? First priority is positive values, ma. The set the first priority. First priority is positive values. Next is a negative. Suppose we'll see. Suppose I'm just going to pass here. This is a 55. 55. Here I'm going to pass 32. I can run the code. What happens? You can see here. Why it comes like this right now? 32, 1, 2, 0, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Something is there right now. Right, ma? Why it happens like this? So whenever we are passing double-digit values, I mean double-digit values, 55, I mean more than 9. So every time you'll get different output. Now you see, you can run again one more time. Run model 32, 1, 2, 0, 4, 6, 7, 8, 55, -1 is there. You can run again one more time. You see, little bit different. 0 has been changed over here. You can run again one more time. Again run. You see, 0 change here, position. You can run again one more time. The value is not changing, but the values will be shuffled. Right, ma? It is the behavior of set function basically, ma. So sometimes you get proper ascending order from positive to negative priority actually. But every time, whenever run the code, the values will be shuffled. Clear, ma? So the values will. That is a behavior of a set function. Clear, guys? Yes, that's good. So now I have to find out data type also for the print of type is a function type of x. Type of x. Now we'll see run model. As you can see here, it is a set. Class is nothing but collection. Collection of set values are present in this given variable. Okay. So this data is called as set data. So it's clear. So now we told here it's a mutable object. Mutable means we can modify. We can add or delete some operations we can do here. So how to handle those operations? What are things we have to do? There we should be use, guys, set methods. One thing is there, ma. Set methods. Some predefined functions. Set methods means predefined functions is called as methods. Okay, so one by one we'll see how to modify these set values actually. So in that, firstly, guys, we have an add. One function is there. Add. So add function is nothing but it is used to add new element to the list. You have to add one more data in your set. There you can use add function. Clear? For example, guys. For example, so x is our variable name. In that container, we have some collection of values are there. So I have to add one more data dynamically. For example, x dot add function. X is nothing but our set. X dot add function, which data you have to add here. For example, I'll just add a string Vijay. Run the code, run module. I will see the Vijay has also added. Where is added, ma? Somewhere, we don't know exactly. If you shuffle, the value will be shuffling every time. Now you can see the last third position is done. As of now, you can run again one more time. Run module. Again, same position only. Sometimes we shuffle. You don't know exactly where the exact state will be located. Clear, ma? So this is how you can add one more data into your set. If you want to add one more data dynamically, means that you can use add function. Using add function only, you can achieve that one. Is it clear? That's good. The next thing is we have clear. One function is there actually clear. The clear function is nothing but if you want to remove all the data, you have to make an empty set. So basically, you can see as of now we have some information right now. Some values are there. Some values are there actually. Suppose I will just comment this add function right now. Add print of x means what happens right now? As usual, values will be printing. Suppose now for this x, I will just use here clear function mark. Clear function I use here. Python is just single threading. It means the code executing line by line. Firstly, this x will be triggered. After that, for the x, we are applying clear function. Clear nothing but clear all the values. It makes it empty. Empty. Now you can run module. You see, now there is no values. Set function only, the empty set function. There is no data. That is a clear function, guys. The clear function is used to clear the values. Just make an empty set. That is the use of set function basically, ma. I hope it's clear, right? So add function is used to add one data into set. Clear function is used to clear all the values. Okay. Next thing is ma different. Different. One thing is actually different. It is difference. One function is there actually. So difference function is nothing but if you have two or more set values means in that they're getting only different values, uncommon values, not common, uncommon values. That is called as difference function, ma'am. For example, guys, as of now we have one list here actually. I will just pass only sum of values 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is actually. Then one more list, one more set I will declare here y. This one list, set. So here I am going to pass here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now x difference of y, of course. So I have to find out what the different values are there when we are comparing to x. X difference of y means comparing this in y, what are the different values are there. Suppose what is the meaning for this one, ma? Print, y dot different of x. What is the meaning for this? Comparing the y to what are the different values of x. This is the meaning. I will just keep it x difference of y. Run the code, run module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, ma, we're getting same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. I will just pass 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Now we can run the code, run model again. Now what happened? Same thing. No, it's very funny. Just make one variable name here. This so then you can call z here. Just remove. Only the common values only is 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. Common values. Run model. What happened? Empty. Why? Because there is no difference values when you're comparing to the y. There is no different value now. Suppose if I'll just pass here 8. Now what happens? Now also empty. Run module. Sorry, comparing x, right? Now I'll get the 8. It's okay. So basically, ma, just remove it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the x values, the y also 1 to 5. Both are common values. Common values. So here I'm just passing some numbers here. In y also I'm just going to pass some values here 27. So 90, 27 is the different values. Different values. Run module. Okay, here what happens here? Only x different values we getting right now because we use here x difference of y. When we are comparing in the y, so what are the different values are present in the x? Suppose if I am passing here y different of x means what is the output right now?
27.
27. So it means so when we are comparing in the y, when we are comparing the x, so what are the values? Different values are present in the y. It means that is that 27 is a different value when we are comparing to the x. Right? That is a different function. Difference function is used to get the difference values of two or more set. It's clear? I hope it's clear. Suppose one more variable a. One more variable a, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a common value basically. So here I'll just pass the a also. Now we can run. What happens? You can see 27 only common value right now. Suppose here also I will just pass 27. Now we can run. Why? Because it's a common value for both both sides, but not in these actually. But we given here y difference of x comma a. So according to x comma a, what are the values? Different values are present in that y. Because 25 is matching. That's why we didn't get here. Suppose I will just pass for example 0. Now what is the output right now? What is the output, ma? If we are comparing these three sets, what is the different value is that? 0 is a different value. Of course, we are comparing y only here. Right, ma? So now the output you can run module 0 is out. Clear? This is how the difference function will work for this. I hope it's clear, right? That's good. And then discard one function is actually. Discard is nothing but you know what the clear function. Clear function is used to clear all the values. Clear all the values in a given set. That is called as clear function right now. If you want to remove specific values, specific data you have to remove. For that perspective, you can use discard. Using discard function, you can remove specific value. Particular value, you can remove it, guys. For example, so firstly, I will just comment this difference function. I don't want this. I'll just comment it here. Okay. Now, so in this A set, I have to remove this 27. What will you do, ma? A dot discard of which value we have to remove? Which value we have to remove right now? 27, a particular value I have to remove it. Discard means remove it. Run module. Then print of A. Now we can run module here. You see 27 has been removed. There is no 27 right now. Again, I have to remove one more value. What means in A dot discard of which value we have to remove? For example, I have to remove 1. I mean the particular first value I have to remove it. Now you can see 27 as well, 1 also removed. So this is how you can remove the particular value here. Clear, guys? That's good. So difference is a very, very important question mark, and discard also very important thing. Okay. Intersection. Different means difference between two sets. Uncommon elements will be getting. Intersection means common values, not uncommon. Common values. What is the common values of two lists or three lists? That is called as intersection. For example, same. I'll just uncomment this one. Must same instead of difference. If I'll just I'll just comment these two things first of all. Discard and discard this one. I'll just comment it. Okay. Now you can see, ma, z is equal to y dot difference of x comma a. What is the output right now? 0 is the output, because this is a different value when you're comparing x and a. Different value, because 27 also matching over here, but 90 here not matching, but we are comparing y only, according to y only we have to find it. So 0 is the output right now. You see, 0 is the output. This is the difference function, ma. So intersection, one function is actually intersection is a function. Same y dot intersection of x comma a. Now what is the output? You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because you like this, ma. So what is the common values of these three set? What are the common values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only the common values are there. 90, 27 matching for only for these two, not for three. That's why. Suppose 27, if I am passing over here, means what is the output right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 27. Because 27 also matching, common value. Run module. We'll see. This is how the intersection will be works. Difference means you get the different value, uncommon value. Intersection means common value of three or more set. That is called as intersection. Clear? That's good. The next function is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference also one thing is that. Symmetric difference, different, the both are same actually. You know, basically guys, suppose we'll see z is equal to y dot difference function I'm using here again one more time. Difference. What is the output, ma? Difference. What is the output right now? Y dot difference of x comma a means what is the output here? Huh? Yeah, y. According to this y, we are comparing x and a. So దీన్ని బట్టి మనం కంపేర్ చేయాలి మా. సో దీన్ని కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమేమి డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే దీనికి ఆ రెండింటిని మనం కంపేర్ చేయాలి. 1 1 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిందా? క్యాన్సిల్. 2 క్యాన్సిల్, 3 క్యాన్సిల్, 4 క్యాన్సిల్, 5 క్యాన్సిల్, ఈవెన్ 27 ఆల్సో క్యాన్సిల్. రిమైనింగ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా వాల్యూ ఇస్ 0. దట్ అవుట్పుట్ రైట్ నౌ. కింద రన్ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ఓన్లీ. సో మనం ఎప్పుడైతే మూడు లిస్ట్ ని కంపేర్ చేస్తామో అప్పుడు ఒక డిఫరెన్స్ వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. బట్ ద డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూ అనేది దీంట్లో నుంచి వస్తుంది మనకు y నుంచి, బికాస్ వి కాల్ y here y కదమ్మా. బట్ దీంట్లో కంపేర్ చేస్తే 27 డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూ, 27 మ్యాచింగ్. బట్ ఇన్ దిస్ 90 is a different value, right? But we have to get 0, 90 only. But we're getting 0, only 0. Suppose now I'm just finding x dot difference of y comma a. What is the output right now?
90.
90 is the output. Good. Suppose if I'm just going to pass here a dot y comma x. What is the output right now? What is the output, ma? Empty. There is no any uncommon value. There is no any different value. Everything is matching, right, ma? Because you can see the 1 also matching, 2 also matching, 3 also matching, 4, 5, even 27 also matching. But in these two lists, 90, 0 is extra values. I mean uncommon values. That one you have to get it. Means there you can use symmetric. Think symmetric or symmetric. Symmetric underscore difference your function is there, ma. Now we'll see what happens. What happens here in the given three function to given. Okay, a comma y. You see right now in the a. Okay, run model. Okay, here 0 getting it actually here. Suppose again 1 comma x. X also I'm going to pass here. Run model. Type. Okay, symmetric function exactly takes only one argument, not two arguments actually. I'm just going to pass X here. So symmetric difference means for both set, what are the uncommon values are getting here now? Difference means any one of this set only we're getting different value. But symmetric difference means both, either A and X, comparing A set and X set. For that both set, what are the uncommon values are present? For example, you know, X and A common values, 3 also common, 4 also common, 5 common, but 90 is a uncommon value, 27 is a common value. What is output right now? 90. Suppose here I am going to pass 8. What is the output right now? 90 and 8. Both are getting right now. We'll see. Clear, ma. But instead of symmetric difference, if you are using difference, what happens here? What is the output right now? Only 8, not 80, 90 right now. Clear? It will get only one different value. But if we are using symmetric difference, it means it compares for both set A and X also. Now we can see now our different values are 8 and 90. Clear, ma? This is how you can handle the set and set methods. So set is nothing but it's a collection. So in single variable, you can store multiple of values. That is called as set. Set we can declare as a curly bracket. So set is a mutable object. It means you can modify the data. Okay, it makes all everything the ascending order basically, but sometimes it will shuffle. It will be shuffling here. So set methods nothing but it's a predefined code, predefined functionality. Using predefined functions only, you can modify or you can add one more data or edit. Some options you can do here. Clear? This is how you can handle set. So anybody have any doubts, guys? Lokesh, Rekha, Bhargavi, Meghana, Joshna. Okay. Okay, that's good. So this is how the set methods it can handle, ma. So finally, today we are going to discuss a dictionary. Okay. So basically, ma, this is also collection. Collection. It means in single variable you can store multiple of data. But the difference is basically, ma, dictionary also you can declare as a curly bracket. Set also same, right, ma? Curly bracket. Then what is the difference between set and dictionary? It means, ma, what is this? This is called as values. Values, whatever you can pass, n number of values you can store. But in dictionary, you should be store key plus value. Key is nothing but, for example, name Vijay, age 20, something like that. Whatever left hand side, the keys. Right hand side means values. So in dictionary, we should be store keys plus values also. That is must and should, guys. Okay. Even this dictionary also mutable object. Mutable means you can modify. It is also mutable object. Clear? So for example, you can see how to declare an object on proper dictionary. It means I will just create one variable name, any one variable name, dic, curly bracket, key and value is mandatory. So anything keys means it should be passed as string only. For example, name is a key, colon, value. Value if it is string means string, number means number, normal numbers. I'll just pass one name, Vijay. This is one data. But in our set, you can see you're passing only this one. I mean, names, values only you're passing in list, tuple, set also. So basically, guys, list, tuple, set dictionary. Majorly, this list, tuple, set are common. You can pass only values. But in the dictionary, you should be pass here key and values also. That is must and should. Comma, again string, email. For example, if it is string means string, vj, something I'm going to pass here, gmail.com. Again, key, for example, mobile number. If it is number means normal way, numbers. Comma, again, one more key, city. If it is string means quotation mandatory. For example, Bangalore. So now this is how you can declare one dictionary, guys. Dictionary. Now you can see that anything, the keys means should be declared within the quotation. As a string only can declare keys. Values, if it is string, means string. Number means numbers. Normal way. Okay. Now I have to print this one. What we need to do? Print off dic, run module. We'll see whatever we given there as usual printing here. Dictionary, name, email, mobile, city, Bangalore. Okay. So now I have to find out this data type also. What we need to do? Print off, good, type of dic, dictionary. Now we can run module. Just okay here. You can see it's a dictionary data type. It's a dictionary data type now. So basically, guys, dictionary also mutable object. Mutable means we can modify. How to modify the dictionary values means there also we should use here dictionary methods we have to use. It means predefined functions. Predefined functions we should be used here. Okay. So in that, what are the things is there? We'll see one by one. In the dictionary methods also we have so many methods are there, ma. Dictionary. Yeah. So dictionary are used to store multiple of keys and values pair. It's a couple. Declare as a square bracket. I mean curly bracket, not square bracket. Dictionary also mutable object. It means we can update the values. Update means modify. Modification you can achieve here, ma. So in that the first function is keys. One function is there is actually. This function is used to return a new view of dictionary keys. So keys function returns only keys. So what are the keys are present? And we have one values also one thing is there, ma. Values function has only the values. So values means right hand side values. I mean the VJ, email, mobile number, Bangalore. These things is called as values. Left hand side is called as keys. If you want to get only keys means simply you can use here keys function, ma. Keys is a function. For example, dictionary dot keys function I'll just use here. From this dictionary, I have to get only keys. Now we can run module. You see what happens here? The dictionary keys, one is a name, email, mobile number, city. So we are getting whatever keys are present in the given dictionary. Clear, ma? Suppose you have to get the values means what we do. Instead of keys, we can pass here values. Now we can run the module. You see what happens here? Now in the dictionary values are one is a Vijay, one email, mobile number, Bangalore. This is how you can get the keys and values. So there are keys and values and functions within the dictionary methods. And then get one method is actually the get method is used to if you want to get the specific value. For example, if you're using values function is what happens? Get the all the values. Complete dictionary values getting. But you have to get this particular value, particular data you have to get it now. Either this Vijay you need, either this mobile number required, either you need a city name. In that case, you can use here, you can use get function now. Get, we'll just comment remaining things and all right. Even the above examples also I'll just comment using multiple comments, multi-line comments. Okay. So yeah, now coming to the get method. For these from this dictionary, DIC is nothing but variable name. From this dictionary, I will just get. I want to get it right now. Only which one we have to get now? City. For example, the specific key how to pass here. City. Same city how to pass it here, ma. Then we can print here. Print off dictionary. DIC only. Now we can run what happens? You can see, you get the all the values, right, ma? So why it happens means just make a variable name, right? A. Then you can call here the variable name is A. Run module. Only a specific city we are getting right now, right? Suppose we have to get name means what we do? Simply can pass the specific key. Which value we have to get a particular key can pass it. Now we can run. Got it, ma? So this is how the get function will works. Okay, and then so we have an adding method on thing is that if you want to add some more data, you have to add it. In that case, what exactly we do? So initially here we have 4 information: name, email, mobile, city. So again I have to add state, not manage dynamically. I have to add it, right? In that case, we should be use you see, in that case, from this dictionary square bracket, here you have to pass key is equal to value. This is a basic syntax for adding the data. You can add n number of data using like this. Is a variable name. For the perspective, you will see DIC dictionary square bracket key is nothing but, for example, state, value is nothing but Karnataka. Again, I have a country also. I have to write now. Again, dictionary of country is a key is equal to India. Now we can print off which one you have print here, ma? Dictionary only. Now we can run module. You see what happens now? In our object, state and country also added. Like that, you can add the functionality. Okay. So now I have to find out how many values are present in the given dictionary. How to find how many values are present, ma? You know, length function, right, ma? Length. So using length function, so you can find out how many values are present in the given dictionary. For example, print of length of di. That's good. dic. Now we can run module. Number is 6. One is the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, 6 values are present here. So this is how we can find the length of the values now. That's the length on function is right. Okay. Now the next thing is update. So in update function is nothing but how many values are present in the dictionary right now? How many values are there? 6. This is 4, 5, 6 values are there actually. In the DIC variable, we store 6 values, 6 data, 6 information. I have to modify, I have to edit any one of the values. So instead of this name Vijay, here I have to add Raghav. Something different name I have to update right now in that place. There you can use update function. Update. For that perspective, DIC, the variable name dot update is a function. So this one will declare as a curly bracket. Same thing what I was just declaring here as a object. It's a dictionary. So which one we have to modify? For example, name. Same key value we shall update here as a Raghav. Now we can run module. What happens? You can see right now. Instead of Vijay, it has been updated as a Raghav. Clear? This is how you can update the information. See, if you want to update the city name, what we do? Comma, same. Which key how to update? City. So instead of Bangalore, I will just going to pass here Chennai. Now we can run module. You see, it has been updated. City is a Chennai. So like that you can update So state we given here Karnataka basically. I have to update state also. In that case, what we need to do? Again, what we need to do? Same state colon. For example, state name. For example, Tamil Nadu. Now we can run the code. I will see name. It has been updated as Raghav. City updating as Chennai. State also updated Tamil Nadu. So this is how you can modify. You can update the value. Clear, guys? Good. And list. List is nothing but adding method. So this is how you can add some of the values in the dictionary. So list means In single variable, in single key, we have to store multiple values. I mean, key is name. For example, name on key is actually, you have to add multiple names, Vijay, Raghav, Murthy, something you have to add n number of values. There you can use list method. List method. For example, here I had only one country, India. For example, I will just add n number of countries as square brackets. This is called as list method. So one is India. One more thing is, for example, something I'll just pass here, America, and something I'll just pass USA, UK, anything you can pass here, some values. So in single key, we pass multiple of values. Then now we can see the output here. Since as usual, in one country is a key, but values we give, we have 4 values as a list. That is a list function, ma. So list function is nothing but you can add n number of values in single key. That is the use of list. And deleter. If you want to delete any one of the values, in that case, what exactly? Update means it is the update function. So you have to remove, we have to delete the values. Specific key and value not required. In that case, I have to remove it. In that case, what exactly we do means there we should be use del. One keyword is the actually del keyword we have to use. So after updating, I will just use del. So which one we have to do? Where we have to delete? In the dictionary, we have to remove space. Dictionary, we have to remove which key they mentioned here. Which key? City, I have to remove. City. Run. Now we can see there is no city. You can see mobile is there. After state is not there. I mean, city is not there. If you want to remove, for example, country, I have to remove. What we do? Del. Dictionary of countries are country only. Country. Now we can run module. You see country. CO. N is not we not given a key vector. Okay, that's the same key only we have to mention here. Now we can run. You'll see now the country also is not there. So this is how you can delete the particular values, particular keys and values actually, right? That is the use of del. So either you can use a del function or you can use a pop also function. The both are same. There is no difference. Either any one function you can use. Del is a keyword, but pop is a function. Okay, for example, in the dictionary, dot pop is a function. The keywords means we're using like this one, base syntax. Pop in function means we have to use like this. Dictionary dot pop. So which one I have to remove? For example, I'll just remove name. I can run the module using pop. I will just remove a name. You can see, just remove syntax error quotation. You can see. I can run the code using pop. I give a name here. Run module. You see, name is not there. So using del also you can remove the particular values, or you can use pop also. You can remove. That is up to yours. Clear, ma? Anybody have any question up to here? Sure, right? And so we have one function, so max and minimum. One function is there actually. So maximum and minimum. What is the use of maximum function and minimum function means? For example, I'll just copy the same thing, I'll just copy and I will just paste it over here, and remaining things I will just comment it. Commented. So I declared one dictionary, guys. One page required here. Otherwise, we get indentation error. Okay. So basically, Raghav is a key. Vijay is a key. Murthy is a key. Adi also key only. The value I given, Raghav value is 25. For example, age, something you just mentioned age. Raghav age is 25. Vijay age is 26. Murthy age is 24. Adi age is 23. Something like that given here. For example. So in that, I have to get the maximum age person. So maximum age person is Vijay. So I have to get Vijay. Like that, that is the use of max function. So I have to get the maximum key, maximum person, maximum value, something like that. So for that perspective, just with your variable name, result with the variable name, max is a function. So inside that variable name in the dictionary, comma, key is equal to dictionary dot get. So what happens here? From these dictionary to we are getting the maximum key. Key we are getting. We are passing key here. Maximum key we are getting here, ma. Run model. You see what happened here? Vijay. Suppose if you want to get the minimum value means what we do? Minimum person means minimum. MIN minimum. Now we can run. We'll see. Now we'll get the RE. There's a maximum and minimum function, guys. Basically, and last but not least, the last thing is a clear. One function is clear function. Now only we discuss the set method. What is clear function, man? Clear all the values. It makes an empty set. Same thing in clear function is applicable for the dictionary also, ma. It is also same. It makes an empty dictionary. Empty dictionary, ma. For example, we'll just comment these two lines. Now, dictionary is a variable name dot clear function print of dictionary. Run module. We'll see now. It makes it empty. There is no any value. This is how the list set tuple dictionary method will work, ma. It's a very important interview question. Every predefined function is very important. It should be go through it. Okay, everybody, guys. So we'll see. I mean, examples also given. Ma, I will share this. I thought I already shared this classroom, right? The classroom code also I already shared you. So just go through today tuple and set list and dictionary. These four methods you just go through it, ma. It's very important interview question. It's compulsory question interview, basically. Okay. So anybody have any questions, ma? That you need. And Joshna, Lokesh, Meghana, Rekha, Bhargavi, anybody have any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, that's good. So please practice these things, ma. So I hope you guys already have this classroom notes. Just go through it once again. So getting any doubts, any issues means please let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's all today, ma. My end. So thank you. Thanks for joining. Guys. Very great. See you tomorrow. I'll get the recordings also. Recordings will share your management. Okay. After some time, they will share you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Thank you, Rekha. Bye.